Welcome back to the channel. This is Tiny with AMS. Accounting Management Solutions is here to help you with your scam avoidance. We're coming up on holiday season, followed right around the corner after the turn of the new year by tax season. These are times that are rife for identity thieves to use the next type of scam, which is called spoofing. Again, I didn't come up with this name. I can't say that one without getting a little chill down my back because it's a weird word. But that's what they decided to call it. It's spoofing. Spoofing is the act of using the phone system, either software or hardware, in order to make the outgoing call show up on your caller ID as some other number, either a phone number that you recognize, a phone number that's from a legitimate organization, or even spoofing the caller ID to have words pop up that look like IRS, FBI, Department of the Treasury, something along those lines. Now, by virtue of the fact that we've seen this so many times, there's sort of trends that are starting to emerge. During the holiday season, it happens a lot. People get spoofed by someone pretending to be Amazon, because Amazon, God bless them, they have changed the face of shopping for Christmas. We all love Amazon, but we get a phone call from someone who says, "This is so-and-so from Amazon. Your account has suspicious transactions in the amount of," insert large number here. If you get a phone call that says somebody charged $1,700 to your Amazon account, all of a sudden your anxiety level goes up. When your anxiety goes up, your judgment level comes down. And that's what they're looking to do. They want you to get rattled and anxious so that your judgment comes down, and then they push you, well, really quickly, we need to verify your information now. We need your username, we need your password, we need your full name, your date of birth, we need to confirm your payment information, your credit card info. We're doing this to protect your account. If you get a phone call like that, odds are almost 100% it is not from Amazon. Hang up the phone and contact Amazon directly. Hang up the phone, go to your Amazon account, see if there's anything that seems suspicious. Go to your own bank account, see if there's anything that seems suspicious. If neither of those things seem suspicious, then contact Amazon directly at their fraud alert numbers that are available on their website at Amazon.com. Reach out to them, let them know what's going on, and at a minimum, change the password on your Amazon account. At a bare minimum, change it to something complicated and complex so that only you will be able to understand it. Now, that's just one version of a spoofing scam. We've also seen what has come to be known as the gift card scam. You get a phone call, you look down, it says FBI, or it says police department, or it says the actual phone number of your police department, your local PD, on your caller ID. And when you pick up the phone, it says this is Sergeant so-and-so, or Lieutenant so-and-so, or Captain Tent Peg, or Lieutenant Joe whoever. And they're going to tell you that there's a warrant for your arrest, and the only way you can avoid arrest is by going to a grocery store or a drugstore and buying gift cards, and then reading off to them the number and the PIN off of the gift card. I'm going to go ahead and throw this on out there to you, okay? Never in the history of warrants for arrest has money for bond or bail or anything else been paid in the form of iTunes gift cards, Apple gift cards, Green Dot cards, Starbucks cards, or any other gift cards. It's not going to happen. But they also will try to raise your anxiety level. You're about to be arrested. They're coming to get you now. So that number one, you're anxious. Number two, you feel like you're in a rush. That brings your judgment level way down. Same type of a scam is being used with the IRS. You owe back taxes and federal agents are on their way to arrest you now. The only way to avoid it is to pay it in the form of Visa prepaid gift cards or iTunes gift cards. I've seen this personally happen to people. No gift cards are ever going to be used to pay your taxes ever. And don't forget the cheat code. If it didn't come from the USPS, then it didn't come from the IRS. So a phone call demanding gift cards to pay your taxes is a scam every time. If you feel like you've been victimized with a tax-related scam or any other identity theft scam, you can contact the IRS at irs.gov to report it. Or you can reach out to us at Accounting Management Solutions. Give us a call, shoot us an email. My name's Tiny. You can ask for me directly, and I will help walk you through step by step what you need to do in order to protect yourself, your identity, and make sure that your family's taken care of. Either way, stay safe out there and remember the cheat code. If it's not USPS, it's not the IRS.